Hello everyone, in today's class, you will learn how to write simple programs using Python. You will learn how to add two numbers, calculate simple interest, to calculate the area of circle, to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade to find the volume of the sphere. How to write a program? Computer works on the basics of input, process and output. So when a problem is given, you need to first know what is the input, process and the output. Later, after finding, you need to write the program. Come, let's explore a few programs. Our first program is addition of two numbers. So first step is you have to write the formula C dias A plus B. Divide the formula into LHS and RHS. Whatever variable, alphabet or word comes in RHS except number and operator will be the input. The LHS variable is the output. The entire formula will be the process. Here input will be A and B, process will be C. A plus B, output will be C. Seeing this, we can easily write Python program. Now we can write the program to take the two inputs we have to use in input. Now calculate CA plus B, print the value of C, execute the programs. Our next program is to calculate the simple interest. So first step is you have to write the formula SI units PTR 100. Divide the formula into LHS and RHS. Whatever variable, alphabet or word comes in RHS except number and operator will be the input. The LHS variable is the output. The entire formula will be the process. Here input will be PTR, process will be SI equal to PTR 100. Output will be SI. Take the input of PT or calculate C, print C. Our next program is to calculate area of circle. So first step is you have to write the formula area, ja P R square. Divide the formula into LHS and RHS. Here, input will be R, ER, process will be area, here PR square, output will be area. To write the program, take radius as input. Calculate the area of the circle as pi into r square. Print area. Next program to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade formula is C-509 into F32 input is F process is C-509 into F32. Output is C. Input is Fahrenheit F process is C-5/9 into F minus 32. Print SEO. Next program is to find the volume of a sphere. Formula is volume ER 4/3 pi r cube. Input is R process. Is volume ER 4/3 pi r cube. Output is volume. Input is radius, process is volume. 4/3 pi r cube, output is volume.